The halogen lights on your Mazda 2 can dim over time, and sometimes they even burn out. If you're like me, you'll use this as an opportunity to upgrade your headlights to a set of LED bulbs. Changing the bulbs yourself is pretty easy. Let's get started. First, we're going to start with popping open the hood, and then we're going to want to locate where the headlight sockets are. On the passenger side, the headlight socket is tucked right in front of the fuse box, and on the right side, the headlight is very easy to access as there's nothing in front of it. The headlight bulbs that we'll be upgrading to today are going to be a set of AUTOONE LEDs. I use AUTOONE headlights almost exclusively in all of my cars because they fit in the housing correctly, they feature all aluminum housing, and they produce a pure white light that doesn't flicker. You can get 15% off of a set for yourself by using my code GARAGE at the link in the description. We'll start with the driver's side headlight. First thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the wiring harness from the back of the headlight. This can take a considerable amount of effort, so be patient. Next, we're going to remove the rubber cover and disconnect the spring clip holding the back of the bulb in. Once the spring clip is open, the bulb should fall out of the headlight housing pretty easily. Take your new LED bulb and orient it to where the middle tab is facing upward. Place the new bulb inside of the headlight housing and close the spring clip. Press the rubber cover on the back of the housing and reattach the wiring harness to the back of the headlight bulb. Press the wiring harness firmly on the back of the headlight bulb to ensure that it doesn't come loose and maintains a good connection. Next, we'll move to the driver's side. There's not much room to work with here, so you can pull the back of the wiring harness off of the headlight bulb by pretty much any means necessary. Once the wiring harness and the rubber cover are removed and out of the way, you can remove the headlight from the housing. Carefully slot your new LED bulb between the fuse box and the headlight housing into its place. Don't forget to orient the bulb with the middle tab facing up. Reattach the spring clip retaining it into the headlight housing, add the rubber cover back, and reattach the wiring harness. Since it's difficult for the camera to see what's actually going on between the fuse box and the housing, I'll attach a video overlay of the other side mirrored for your convenience. You're essentially repeating the same steps that we already did on the passenger side, so do the same thing that you did on that side to this side. Here you can see exactly how much wider the new headlights are versus the old ones. The beams are so much brighter and well defined, especially the low beams. This will make a world of difference when it comes to nighttime driving. This is a really good demonstration showing the difference between the OEM halogens and the new LEDs. The difference in down-road performance is impressive, but what really makes a difference is how much farther to the left and right you can see with the new LED headlights. At night, this can give you the split-second advantage that you need to avoid hitting a deer that might run out in the road, or a kid with a ball, or a tree limb in the road, or any other obstacle that might damage your car before you even get the chance to see it.